Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Online English. And today we have an expressions video for you all about recipes. So have you ever been reading an English recipe and you don't understand what they're talking about? This video is for you because we will go over common words and instructions that are in recipes. So let's go. In our first section, all of these expressions are about prepping the food or preparing the food. So the first one is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Wash and drain the vegetables. Wash and drain the vegetables. Dice the onion and peppers. Dice the onion and peppers. Mince the garlic. Mince the garlic. Grease the baking sheet. Grease the baking sheet. Combine all of the dry ingredients in a bowl. Combine all of the dry ingredients in a bowl. Mix well until there is a smooth texture. Mix well until there is a smooth texture. Beat the egg. Beat the egg. Use a mixer to quickly combine the ingredients. Use a mixer to quickly combine the ingredients. Pour the batter into the pan. Pour the batter into the pan. Knead the dough and roll it out. Knead the dough and roll it out. Let the dough rise for 30 minutes. Let the dough rise for 30 minutes. Let it chill overnight in the fridge. Let it chill overnight in the fridge. All right, our next section is about cooking the food. Put the oil in the pan over medium heat. Put the oil in the pan over medium heat. Melt the butter in the pan. Melt the butter in the pan. Add the onion and peppers to the pan. Add the onion and peppers to the pan. Sauté the vegetables on high heat until soft. Sauté the vegetables on high heat until soft. Stir and season with salt and pepper. Stir and season with salt and pepper. Brown the ground beef. Brown the ground beef. Bake the cake for 35 minutes. Bake the cake for 35 minutes. Place the cake on the center rack. Place the cake on the center rack. Fry the chicken until golden brown. Fry the chicken until golden brown. Remove from heat and let cool. Remove from heat and let cool. Let the steak rest for 5 minutes. Let the steak rest for 5 minutes. Our last section is about serving the food after you're done. So here's the first one. Plate the steak on a bed of mashed potatoes. Plate the steak on a bed of mashed potatoes. Arrange the vegetables on a platter. Arrange the vegetables on a platter. Salt to taste. Salt to taste. Set the table. Set the table. Garnish with lime. Garnish with lime. Serve immediately. Serve immediately. Thank you guys for watching another video here on Easy Online English. And if you would like to go over more food vocabulary, go ahead and click this video here, and we give you all of these words about food and cooking. So go learn.